how to remove the Peugeot Expert 3 G9 door panel. Starting with the inner door mirror cover, you can pull that one off like this and just pull it upwards. Next, we're going to remove the cover on the door pull handle. Be gentle, even though I'm using a flathead middle screwdriver. Underneath there will be two 10mm bolts that you need to remove. And then next, to the side there will be a torque screw that we'll need to remove, and then there will also be another torque screw to the bottom of the door panel. Where the door open handle is, we will remove the trim. Next, either using a tool or something plastic to get in between the door panel and the door itself, there is clips on the inside that hold the door panel in place. These clips can break, but this is the idea. So get in between the door panel and the door, and then sometimes it'll require more force, but you'll need to pull it towards you and slide it up to detach the door panel. Don't completely yank it out, as the cable for the window switch is still there and you'll need to unplug it. I'm just going to show you a trick. Now, these white ones are the clips, and you'd want them on the door panel like this, as it makes refitting much easier. So if there's any that's left on the door itself, go ahead and remove all of them like so and put them onto the door panel, as will make refitting much easier. This is how you remove the Peugeot Expert 3 G9 door panel.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.